Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to check your PayPal account history. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to paypal.com or of course download the application from the Google Play Store or the App Store, and then just guys go and log into your profile. Of course, if you don't have one, you can always go and register to PayPal. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. As you can see here, we have the PayPal official, of course, the web page. We have the home screen, send, wallet, activity, and help. And we have the send and requests and other different options here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and check my PayPal account history. It is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So basically what you need to do out of all of these options up here, home, send, wallet, and activity, you just need to go and click on the activity tab. When you clicked on activity, here you can go and filter, see your transactions. So at the moment, I don't have any. So that's why this is here, no transactions yet. Want to try again with different dates. You can put the last date of 90 days. The type status, you can go and change those all things. But here guys, you can of course go and narrow the results of course with that. And here basically, you can search for names, emails, and anything. And basically here you can go and check out the history and everything that you have done on PayPal. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I said, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, bye guys.